And we are live. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Ifan, Anoa, Abubakar, the Valorant, Dino. Welcome. Good to see you guys back on the live, as always. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's Monday, the starting of the trading week. And yeah, like always, we do these streams. I do these streams Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So yeah, welcome to Kian. Happy Monday, Dino. Make sure if you guys are watching, make sure you click on the like button on the bottom left side of the screen. And yeah, we can get started. Doing great, Kian. What are we cooking today? We're gonna find out. We're gonna look at gold and a few pairs. I did say a few things on Friday, and it seems like gold is still within the range that I was talking about last week. So we're gonna take a look for sure. What's up, Mr. Zero? Well, welcome. Yeah, so we're gonna take a look at gold for sure. Make sure you click the like button, and if it's your first time watching, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As you know, on every stream that we do, we give away free accounts. Okay, what does that mean? We're giving away accounts that you can, use for yourself, and it's completely free. So yeah, we're going to be giving away some 50K accounts and 10K accounts. Okay, let's go. We're going to be giving away 6 accounts. So 2 50K futures accounts and 4 10K Forex accounts. And I might just pick any of you at random. If I see a random comment, I might just pick anyone. Okay? So you just have to be active. All right. Where's everyone watching from? Comment below which country you're watching from at the moment. I'm feeling lucky today. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Do you know? Morocco, India, Nigeria, South Africa. All right. Egypt, Indonesia. Nice. Where in Indonesia? Iphone. Nigeria. Okay. India. Nice. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up the charts shortly. And we're gonna break down what's going on with gold and then also the pound pairs. Okay, see if we can find a trading opportunity. And I'm gonna show you guys how I go about when it comes to the markets, how I go about finding a trade setup. Okay, Southeast Asia, Singapore neighbor. Okay, let's watch out for gold. Yeah, for sure. GJ, 100%. We're gonna pull up the chat right now. There we go. I'm participating every day. Let's see if I win something today for sure. Let's see if you get lucky. Hey there, Canada. All right, that's nice. It must be really cold there right now. All right, let's get into it. Gold. Let's have a look. What's going on? This is what I drew out last week. If you were on the stream, if it's a little confusing, hey there, Mohammed or Mahmoud. If it's a little confusing, and you look at these drawings, all you have to pay attention to is, let me actually change the color. Okay, you just have to pay attention to the fact that gold right now is in a range, okay? Somewhat, more or less, is in a range. Um, and so what I drew out last week, we're paying attention to this level, and we're also paying attention to this level, okay? These two levels, we're looking at it very strongly because either a break below 4015 or a break above 4152, it's going to show us the possible next move. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a break below 4015. Until I get that break below 4015, I'm not interested in a short position. Until I get a break above and a close above this level, 4152, I'm not interested in a long. Right now, we're just waiting for either. Okay. So just pay attention to this level right here. That's all you got to pay attention to. And this level right here. Those two levels are the only levels you should be looking at when it comes to gold to see what your next move could be. All right. Entering early would be risky, and that would be without confirmation. It's just very simple. If gold right now, let me move this. If gold right now breaks below 4015, creates a bearish candle like this, excuse my drawing, but you get the point, then we may look to short it further. Okay. So yeah, I hope that made sense. So yeah, that's what we're looking for. Either a close below 4015 or a close above 4152. So with gold, it's had massive moves the week before last week in terms of the bullish momentum. And then last week, the biggest crash, 1 day crash. And then now in a range, in a consolidation, right? So gold is tired at the moment. It's tired, it's exhausted, right? So let's see what happens. Um, we're gonna take a close look at gold um, this week for sure. Now we're looking at GJ, pound JPY. All right, so pound JPY broke above resistance, retested. Now seems like it's hovering above that support, and potentially could test the next area, the next zone, 205452. I am not saying that's where it's going to go. I'm not saying that, but I'm saying it's currently above this support level. I've seen price be at support and go back down below it. So it does not mean that it's a sign that I'm telling you to buy GJ. Okay. Um, it's shorting now. With gold, it's in a range. So let's see what happens there. Yeah, so GJ right now hovering above that support level, like I said. And so what I would look for when it comes to GJ at the moment is a close above this level. Okay. A break above and a close above this level right here. I'd say it would continue further up. Okay. If we can get that. So a break and a close above 204.046, I'd be long to the next zone. So let me break and close above 204.041. 204.041 by here. Okay. That would be a strong indication for a possible long with GJ, provided it can break above, close above, um, and have good momentum. Okay, let's come back to GJ though. Pound USD. Um, what's going on? Pound USD. Yeah, I mean, nothing that I like right now. It's just in between these zones, currently above a support, but it's really messy and not something that I'd look at. I would say it would be interesting to see price close above this level. So a break above this level would be interesting. Um, maybe that could be the next target here, but let's see. I mean, it's messy. I can't say anything right now with GU. So I'd move to pound Swiss. Let's have a look at pound Swiss. Yeah, pound Swiss approaching the next resistance zone, the next zone. Um, what did I say before? I always say this: stay away when price is literally in between two zones, right? Just stay away. Pound cat. Let's see. I do see we only have 10 likes. Make sure you like the stream if you're watching. Pound CAD at the moment, you see price came down. Now bouncing off of that support zone here. Um, but I wouldn't look at pound CAD at the moment, to be honest. In terms of volatility, it's not interesting enough. Yeah, make sure you like the stream if you're watching. Moving on, pound New Zealand. Pound New Zealand dollar. Currently bouncing off of this zone. It's back in its favorite zone that it was on before. Let's see. It looks like a lot of pound pairs are now turning a little bullish. So when it comes to pound New Zealand, we could get that bullish action going on. But I mean, nothing that is interesting to me at the moment. Pound AUD. I like pound AUD normally, but let's see if today there's something there. Um, Pound Australian dollar. Yeah, similar to the other pair. It's just in between these two zones right now at the moment. Not enough volatility for me to consider it. I would wait for it to break above here or close below here for me to be interested in pound AUD. So nothing there at the moment. USD JPY, what did I say last week? I said if it closes above 153160, we could be interested in buys, and it did not reach that level. Okay, it did not break above. Right now, with the USD JPY, I mean, same thing stands, right? If it closes above 153160, we'd be interested in longs with USD JPY. Look at where it's at. It's in the zone that I was talking about. This is an interesting zone, okay, to look at. So how it deals with this level is going to say a lot. I do have a feeling it's going to break above, but let's see. Trading is not about feelings, right? Um, Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah, I'd wait for a break above here with Euro USD. It's approaching this zone at the moment. So I'd wait for a break before we look at it further. Last but not least, we have New Zealand USD currently at this zone of resistance. I'd be looking at New Zealand dollar once it goes below this level and closes below it as well. Okay. But back to gold. Let's go back to gold. Gold is going down at the moment. We're seeing some sells at the moment. GJ, yeah, we took a look at GJ. Not sure if you missed what I said about pound JPY. Just rewind a little few minutes ago, and you'll see what I said on GJ. Gold, yeah. With gold, we're just waiting for the close below 4015 before we're interested in shorting further. Until we see that, I'm not going to look at shorts. It's just very simple. I've said it last week as well, you know. Part of trading is to have that patience to wait. Okay. And like I said, overall, um, I do see if I scroll down, there we go. My long-term target for gold is 3870. 3870. Not saying it might not go down further, but I'm saying based on my strategy, it's indicating the level 3870 is a potential target. Okay. We're not just waiting for a break below, by the way. So it can break below 4015, but I'm waiting for a body close below that level as well. Okay. We might have a, break and then it pulls back and leaves a massive wick. That's invalid to me. A break and a close below is what's important. Yeah, a full body close for sure. Welcome to Priola. Never seen you before on this chat. Welcome. Um, at least 1 hour candle. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna be answering some questions that you guys have right now. If there's any questions that you want me to answer whilst we wait for gold, feel free to comment in the chat. I always try my best to reply to the questions. So if there's any that you have, now's your time. Why do I not trade in a ranging market? Because it's messy. I wait for more of a volatility. I don't like trading when there's a lot of consolidation. Um, yeah, if gold reacts to 4050, do we buy? No, the levels that I'm looking at is 4152. 4152 for buys. Okay, when it comes to buys, it's 4152. Can you use historical data to identify key support and resistance levels on gold? Yeah, for sure. That's the only thing you can use. The only way to, the purple zone that I've highlighted on gold right now, the only way to set up these zones, these support and resistance zones, Kian, is by going back in time and finding areas that price struggles at. So, for a new person who is starting trading, what is the main thing he or she should watch out to trade? Dino, that's a good question. I would say there's a few things that you should look at. The main thing being, as a new trader, always keep in mind risk management. Okay. I know trading, a lot of people talk about it in a way of like, you can make money quick and all of that. It's not about that at all. It's about managing risk. It's like a business, right? Trading is very, very much like a business. You want to keep the risk low or the overhead low and the rewards higher. Okay, if the risk is so high, you won't make it long term. You won't make it. You might have a few wins, but long term you'll blow your account. And so risk management is definitely the main thing that I'd say to look out for. After that, strategy, mindset, um, and all of that as well. So yeah, Um, I am gold. I don't really look at fundamentals when it comes to the charts. I mentioned this last week. When it comes to news, the only thing that I look for is if there's high impact news before I am thinking about placing a trade. Other than that, I don't look at the news. What indicators help confirm a valid breakout from a gold price range? So much fake breakout lately on gold. You just wait for a body close. That should be the number one confirmation. Not only a breakout, but a body close above or below. Welcome, Badshah. I'm good. How are you? Yeah, that should be the confirmation when it comes to breakouts. I was short in gold from 4080. Now I'm done for the day in one account. Well done, Garal. What was your percentage return on that one? How do you backtest your strategy? By backtesting. Backtesting means you go back and you test. So you mean how do you test your strategy? Um, by going back in time, backtesting, and what I usually advise is the 100 trade rule. You backtest a strategy, take 100 trades on a demo account, and if you're profitable overall and you're consistent, then it's a valid indication for a good strategy. But again, it's never the same as demo. You can be profitable in demo until you're on a live account and now you're managing live funds. Is backtest important? 100%, very important. Or should we trade in live market with a demo account? I mean, it's the same thing. You can backtest on live market conditions, but it's based on the past. Okay. When you're backtesting, you're not getting fake data. You're getting real data, real live market data, except it was in the past. And it's on a demo. I'm short in gold as well from 4057. How much can I expect if my TP is 4020? Bad Shah. That depends on your lot size, right? Your lot size um, determines the value of the profit overall. Why don't I use indicator? Um, I do use an indicator with the RSI. However, it's not important when it comes to my overall strategy. And why do I not use an indicator? Because I trade mainly based on price action. Okay. I feel like with price action, that's all you need. However, there's people that use indicators and are profitable. Again, it doesn't matter what you use. Yes, I recommend simplicity. I recommend not having a million indicators on the charts and mainly focusing on price action. However, if you've proven to be profitable and you're using indicators, then there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, just find out what works for you. There's a million ways to be profitable in the markets. It's not just one way. Someone might trade, mainly based on news. Someone might trade based on price action. Someone might trade with all different kinds of strategies. But if you're profitable, then like they say, don't fix what's not broken. How can you scale a 5K account to a million funded capital realistically? Number one advice I'd give you is focus on being consistent with the 5K. If you're consistent with the 5K, you can get to 10, 15, 20, 100, 200, 500, and then a mil. But show consistency. Like it's good to be ambitious 100%, but show consistency. If you show consistency, you can scale up with ease. Um, I hope gold falls more. I want better gold by entry. I mean, Garau, you said earlier you made enough profits for the day. Are you really trying to give that back? Like at some point, as a trader, you gotta have a, if I make this much in one day, I'm gonna take the day out so I have a clear mind and I can approach the markets again tomorrow. Because what happens, and I've seen this happen so many times, is it's a Monday, someone gets in a trade, it's a very good winner, straight to TP, take a profit, and then they're feeling lucky. They want to enter a trade again. And then what happens? The next trade is a loss. And now they're spending Monday trying to make back the profits that they gave back to the markets. Okay, you don't want to be in that phase. You made your profits, come back tomorrow. Or maybe come back tonight, just give it a few hours. Your job is not to trade all day. Your job is to be profitable and, you know, be busy with something else. The longer you're in the market, the less clear you can think. So if you're on the charts all day, several hours managing, then your mind is less clear, you know? My trade is active from 4057, um, zero point 0.1 lot. What levels can I expect? Just do 10 cents. So zero point 0.1 lot size, or 0.10 is basically $1 per pip. What do you think about those on Telegram that ask? Yeah, I'm gonna answer your question. But 0.1 to answer from, was it Badshah? 0.1 lot size is $1 a pip. And so you got to do $1 times however many pips you're targeting. I don't know that, but just use the calculator. What do you think about those on Telegram mostly that ask you to fund an account and they will trade for you to share the profit? Definitely avoid that. And yeah, just avoid it. You don't want someone else to manage accounts for you, okay? The skill of trading is what you want to master so that you can repeat it for yourself. Why would you want someone else to manage it for you when you can manage it yourself, not share the profits, and have the skill? The most important thing about being financially well off is not the money, it's the skill that you've learnt to acquire the money. That's why you'll see people that make it when they lose it all, they can make it back. Why? Because they have the knowledge. Um, they have the knowledge that they spent time learning and they can always pick back up, right? So don't focus on the end goal. I mean, have the end goal in mind for sure, but focus on what it takes to become the person that you want to become. Dini, you're looking different today. Yeah, I mean, I've been in the gym more often these days, trying to cut weight. So recently started a program. We're gonna be cutting weight drastically. So yeah. I have seen a full body close above resistance or below support is best confirmation to take a trade. Not entirely, not entirely. So, example, let's just say right now gold breaks above 4152. Are we going to straight away into a buy? Not necessarily. We're looking for other indications. However, it is the biggest confirmation. But like I said, don't trade based off of support and resistance alone. Combine it with your overall strategy. Yeah, sometimes I think nothing works. I learned from a lot of traders courses, but till now I'm unable to be consistently profitable. Very simple answer that I have for you, Mahfuzar. The answer that I have for you is simple. You're clearly doing something wrong and you are repeating the same thing over and over again. Okay? Fix what you're doing wrong. Start with risk management and then figure out what's wrong with your strategy. It's very simple. If you've back tested your strategy, you went back in time, you should know exactly what to do in current times. The only reason why you're confused or you're not sure what you're doing or you're gambling or whatever is because you clearly never back tested. I have to remind you, when I started trading and I was so close to giving up in 2019, I said to myself, I'm going to give myself one more chance before I quit trading. Okay. And I remember this. What did I do? I discovered the idea of back testing, spent a lot of time going back on the charts and designing from scratch my strategy. Okay. So, Mahfuzah, research and go back in time. Trade on a demo account and prove you're profitable 100 trades later. If the gold if gold closes the 1 hour candle below 4105 and the pullback reaches above, will you sell? We're looking at 4015. Lee Joe. Dini, I had a plan in the beginning of this year. I'm still following it, but I'm a little behind. By this time, I have to be 100K funded. I'm 50K funded only. Guess what, Garal? You're halfway there. Should I rush things? No. You're halfway there. You're doing a lot better than a lot of people. Some people might not have 5K accounts. They might not be able to manage a 10K account. Okay? You're halfway there. You want my answer? My answer is if you're consistent with the 50K, you can scale to 100K. Simple. No need to rush. My question to you is how long have you been consistent with the 50K? Are you recently into the new account? If it's that, then wait, take your time. Sometimes managing more capital is a big problem for a lot of traders. They get overconfident, risk more, blow the account, and then lose the confidence. You know, all the time my analysis going against me. I think you are right. Some mistakes I do again and again, 100%. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Don't feel bad about it. Just learn from it. The only way to be profitable is consistency, 100% bad Shah, because you can, if you come to me right now and you say, oh, the next trade, I'm going to make 200 pips, I'm going to make so much, and then you end up winning that trade, it doesn't mean much because what happens after that trade? You might blow the account. Well, if someone's consistent, they're making 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. It's more the compound of it overall in the long term means way more than someone that's just going crazy on one trade, you know? Consistency is the most important thing. Let me clear 100K and then let's do a video together. For sure. But then I do realize I made great progress not only in trading but in life too. I'm more of a calm and mature person, 100%. The more I feel like that's one thing that trading does. It makes you it has you learning to manage your emotions, and that can apply to real life as well. According to my projections, I see gold will sell off to 4008. Let's see. I mean, let's see, Kian. Um, who's ready for the giveaway? I think it's time. I think it's time for me to give away some accounts. All right, you guys are ready, yeah? You guys are ready for the accounts. Let's go. As usual, you know how we're gonna pick the winners. I will give you guys the instructions shortly. Give me a sec. All right, guys. Starting from now, pick a number from 1 to 30 to get a chance to win a 50K futures account. First person to guess the number wins the 50K futures account. Again, guess the number from 1 to 30. Straight away, we have a winner. 50K futures accounts to Comrade. Um, I'm not sure if you won last week. The name sounds familiar though. But Comrade, congratulations on winning the 50K futures accounts. That was really quick. Guys, don't worry. We're going to be giving away some more accounts. Do not worry. We have a lot more accounts to give away on this stream, okay? Comrade is only the first winner of today's stream. We're giving away more accounts. All right. Now we're going to do the 10K Forex account. For a chance to win a Forex account, 10K Forex account, comment a number from 1 to 20. 1 to 20. Excuse me, guys. 1 to 20. First person to guess the number from 1 to 20 is the winner of the 10K Forex account. Free Movie Junction. Free Movie Junction. Congratulations on winning the 10K Forex account. And you know what? The next 10K account, yes, you've won. Congratulations, Free Movie Junction. The next 10K account is someone that I'm gonna give away the account at random because I want to be giving these accounts to different people. I do see a username. Is it Bokari? Bokari, if you are on this stream right now, I've picked you at random. Comment I'm here because I'm gonna be giving you a 10K account for commenting. Okay, guys. Sometimes I pick random comments. So Bokari, you're here. All right, I've just given you congrats. You've won a 10K Forex account. I have seen your comments. I believe you're new here as well. And I've just picked you at random. So Bukari, I'm gonna write down your name. Bukari Moyi. There we go. Guys, don't worry. We're giving away 3 more accounts. Okay, 3 more accounts we're giving away. Everyone say congrats to Bukari and Free Movie Junction and Comrade as well. We're giving away 3 more accounts. I might pick any of you at random. And in fact, I'm going to give you guys a heads up. In the next 3 accounts, one of them I'll pick through a random comment that I see. Okay? I just want a lot of you guys to get the opportunity to get these accounts and, start your journey. In terms of how you can redeem these accounts to the 3 people that have already won the accounts, the way you're going to redeem it is show proof you are the person that commented, and then you're going to open a Discord ticket with the team at AquaFunded. And you'll just say, hey, I won on Dini's stream. Here's the proof. And then, yeah, that's how it goes. Yeah, we do have a new 1 hour candle with gold. Yeah, guys, stop spamming numbers, please. The giveaway is later, so stop spamming numbers. I will not be picking if you're spamming. Okay. If you guys have any trading questions, let me know. I'm on here for a little bit. So let me know what trading questions you have, what you've been struggling with. Can you tell me the number for 50K account? Vishal, Comrade definitely won. So the market is right now just very dry. I like to call it dry, but I don't trade futures, Garau, so I can't comment on that. I'm waiting for gold confirmation. Yeah, we're just waiting for that as well. I'm struggling with my psychology. Nayak, I would say when it comes to psychology, what is it? Are you taking losses and now you're feeling down about it? What about psychology are you struggling with? Dini, you keep your charts clean. Yeah, I mean, currently it has a lot of drawings for you guys on the stream, but normally it's just very clean. Over trading is a major problem. Definitely. It's definitely a major problem. Am I late? No, you're not. Please, any recommendations on back testing with an account? Yeah, have a notepad or maybe an Excel sheet. And then when it comes to back testing, you want to look for patterns, you want to look for consistency, and also you want to have rules in place to determine the back testing um, that you're doing with each trade is the same thing on every trade. You don't want to have a new rule on every trade. Okay. Yes, I'm taking the trade which got stop loss, but the trade what I did not take hit my TP. I mean, that's the name of the game. Sometimes you'll have those moments and nobody's free from that. You just have to understand that, you know, it's okay to not always win. It's okay. You guys have to say it's okay for me not to win trades as long as I win more than I lose. Okay? The aim of the game is to not always win, it's to win more than you lose. Okay? Just set the right expectation. Make sure to set the right expectation. I mostly feel gold is dropping, guys. I mostly feel when I use a small lot size, I'm not doing well. What do you mean? When you use a small lot size, are you not like, are you losing? Are you profitable? Give me some more context. Bad Shah, were you in a buy for gold? Let me know. Or were you selling gold? Your single trade doesn't define you. You just need to be profitable. Doesn't matter how long it takes. 100%. It's not about. I'm not impressed. If you win one trade, I'm not impressed. If you win 100 trades, not in a row, but you're profitable overall, then now I'm impressed. Okay, anyone can win one trade. And I always believe in the philosophy. It's never enough. I'm gonna ask you guys a simple question. If you guys made $100,000 from one trade, would you stop trading forever? Let me know in the comments. If the next trade you took was $100,000 in profit, would you then say, okay, I'm going to quit trading? Or would you carry on? So yes, if you would carry on, no, if you want to quit. Exactly. No, 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 no. Yeah, that's what I mean. Nobody's going to quit. Why? Because it's never enough. So now the reason why I asked you that question is because your next trade, you shouldn't trade with the mentality of I wanna go all in and make so much, because it's never enough. You're doing it, so you're overexposing yourself. You're definitely going to blow your account, and any amount that you make, you'll be doing the same thing. So even if your next trade was profitable, you're gonna get caught being reckless in the market. So have that long-term approach. I always believe in that. Gold is right now tanking. Okay, we're seeing this gold move here. Again, we're not falling for just a break below. What I need is a break and a close below. Gold to 4008. I called it. Waiting for the next 1 hour candle. I won't be trading, but will observe what happens in the market. Yeah. When are we going to analyze a pair? We already broke down not only gold, but some of the pound pairs. Like I said, for example, pound JPY, nothing going on at the moment, except if we have a break above 204 .041, we could look at potential buys. Um, GU again similar. Let's see how it reacts to 1.33600. Pound Swiss in between the two ranges. We're not looking at that. Pound CAD similar in between the range. Pound New Zealand. Let's see if we can get a bounce off of this support. Pound Australian dollar in between the range. USD JPY. We're looking at these levels that it's at. The Euro USD approaching resistance, and New Zealand dollar at resistance. So yeah, I mean, nothing going on at the moment that's of interest. Ahmed FXV, please don't spam the chat. Yeah, stop spamming, otherwise I will definitely put you on timeout. Guys, if you want to have a chance to win the giveaway, please Do not spam. Okay, that's not fair, and it will definitely disqualify you. Not saying that you are disqualified now, but it's just a warning. Who thinks gold is going to break below 4015? Or if you think gold's going to push back to 4152 and be bullish, let me know. Where do you think gold is going to decide to go? Pound pairs are not looking good right now. Yeah. 'Down, but not for long.' Yeah. I mean, I do see gold going to 38770. Um, let's see though. 3878 is my level. Okay. What time is the best time to trade gold? There is no best time. There's more volatile moments, but again, someone asked me last week, what is the best trading session to trade? My answer has always been the session that works best for your strategy. Okay. Gold is going back to average price 3800 in the long run. Yeah. Something tells me this is only the beginning of the bearish momentum with gold. I mean, it will never stay bearish for that long. It will just do a correction. But long term, of course, I do see gold doubling. I would say in the next 5 years, we could see gold at 8K, maybe even 10K. Just because of how the world is going right now. Um, you look at China. China's buying gold. China's buying so much gold, and a lot of the central banks are buying gold. And when it comes to gold, it's a very safe investment, in a lot of the different parts of the world. So, yeah, I think a lot of people should look to, you know, buy gold every month and use it as a long-term investment. I think that's a very good strategy to do. 5K, I mean, long term, I see it going higher. A few years ago, it was when I was trading, it was 1,500. Now it's 4K. Where do you think it's going to be when it's 20, 2029 or 2030? You know, you're going to be seeing potentially 10K gold. Look at Bitcoin, right? 3,900. Badshah, are you in a trade at the moment? Please pick randomly. I never won any accounts. I mean, I might pick at random. Let's see. Riaz. And even if you don't win on this stream, I always say this. If you don't win on this stream, it doesn't mean you're unlucky or you won't have a chance. It just means maybe next time you do, you know? What's your view on Bitcoin? I don't trade Bitcoin at the moment. But I do know that it has a lot of momentum at the moment. Nice. What was the return on that, Badshah? How much percentage did you make? Gold pushing back a little, because if you have a look, right, have a look at this, guys. It came down. Okay, it came down. As soon as it tried to approach this area, because of how strong this area is, it kind of started to panic a little bit. There's a lot of buyers there. Okay, not a lot of buyers, but there's a lot of support. And with that area being tested now, you see it pulling back a little. So let's see, are we going to get a breakthrough or not? Maybe it's faking out some people, some traders. And then once there's a few buyers, we could see it break below. That could be a possibility. It's not unrealistic to think that. People are coming in the last moment to win the giveaway. I mean, that's okay. Um, Gold will make people profitable depending on how you trade gold. It's not you can be profitable with any currency pair or commodity pair. It's just about how you trade it, to be honest. With gold right now, I'm very strict on me potentially either going long or going short. If we're going short on gold, then I have to see a close below 4015 to consider going short. And when it comes to going long, again, I have to see it go above 4152. Guys, if you're watching for the first time, make sure you like this stream. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We go live and we give away accounts every stream. We give away free trading accounts. Okay. Right now, shortly, we're going to be giving away 3 accounts, 50K futures accounts, 2 10K Forex accounts. Okay. So you literally get a chance to get a free account and learn um, completely free. Okay. So make sure to like the stream, subscribe. I go live Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays. So click the notification bell. It alerts you to see when I go live. Sometimes when I click on go live, I see the first comment on the live stream and that person wins an account. So it's in your interest to set the notifications so you don't miss out. Okay. I want you all to get a chance to win these accounts. I'm thinking about deleting every pair from my watch list and really taking time to focus on gold alone. I recommend, having that focus to begin with. I remember when I started trading years back, I would have 13 to 20 pairs on the charts, thinking that the more pairs that I had on the chart, the more trading opportunities I'll have. But that created a lot of confusion, a lot of stress as well. And so until I took out a lot of the pairs, that's when, I became profitable and really focused. So I highly recommend that. Yeah, that's one thing I like about gold, Usman. Gold is very volatile, provides a lot more trading setups, right? If you look at gold, 100 pips is so quick compared to if you were to get 100 pips with pound JPY. However, that also comes with more risk. I want to focus only on USD JPY and pound AUD. Yeah, if it works for you, then definitely focus on that. All right, next account. We're going to be giving away some accounts. Who's ready? Next account that I'm giving away is a 50K futures accounts. The person that I picked at random is Mr. Zero. Mr. Zero. Let me Mr. Zero, I picked you at random to win the 50K futures accounts. Congratulations. Everyone say congrats to Mr. Zero on winning the account. I did say I will pick a random comment. Okay? Mr. Zero, congrats. Stick around, don't be disappointed. Mr. Zero, congrats on winning the 50K account. We're going to be giving away 2 more accounts, guys. All right. Next account I'm giving away is a 10K Forex account. 10K Forex account. The first person to guess a number from 1 to 30, 1 to 30, wins a 10K Forex account. Okay? First person to guess the number wins the account. Soul sustenance. There we go. Soul sustenance. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. I believe you won before. I'm not sure if I'm mistaking your name with someone else's name, but again, congrats. Yes, Soul Sustenance, 10K account, because you said the number 19. And ChatGPT gave me the number 19. So congrats. No, it's first time. Okay, well done. Congrats. I'm happy that it's your first time. You won the 10K Forex account, and we're going to be giving away the last 10K Forex account. Okay, one more Forex account we're going to be giving away. Um, I'm going to figure out how we can pick the last winner. Guys, do not comment any numbers yet. No numbers. Until I say it's time, do not comment. I got the 10K, I need 50K. Anyone willing to exchange? I mean, if anyone wants to, then for sure. All right, so we're gonna do this. What we're gonna do is this. Everyone, do you guys have Instagram? Say yes or no. Do you guys have Instagram? Yes or no? Comment below. If you have Instagram, say yes. If you don't want to have Instagram, say no. All right. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. What I'm gonna do is this. The way I'm gonna pick the last winner is this. Everyone go follow and like the Instagram page of AquaTV Live. Okay, I'm gonna comment below. This is the Instagram. AquaTV Live. Everyone follow and follow the Instagram of AquaTV Live. I'm gonna instruct you on what to do after. Everyone go follow the Instagram right now. Okay. And what you're going to do is this. The recent post, the recent post of AquaTV of me, you're going to comment on that one and like that one. So you see a picture of me, the recent one, 3 days ago, you're going to comment and like it. And what you're going to comment is this. You're going to say, you're going to comment anything. You can comment anything you want. Okay. I'm going to pick a person at random. I'll give you guys a minute. To be fair, I'll give you a minute. After a minute, after a minute, I'll pick a random person. You have to follow the Instagram and like the picture of me and comment on that one. And make sure you comment something unique. Don't be copying someone else, okay? So make sure you follow. Rule number 1, follow the page, like the picture of me, and comment on the picture of me, okay? I'm trying to figure out new ways to give away these accounts. So that's a new way. I'll give you guys a minute. After a minute, I'll pick someone at random. I'll actually, the person that wins, I'll DM you from my personal account. Okay. And guys, the last step, once you've done all of that, and sorry to be long as I'm trying to give away this account right now, what you're going to do is this. you're going to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this stream and tag AquaTV Live and my personal page. I'll put my username here. Okay. And you'll have to post it on your story so I can see and pick the winner. Okay. Simple. Let's take a screenshot of this stream, tag AquaTV Live Instagram page, and tag my personal, which I've commented on the chat now. Once that's done, I'll pick everyone and post it on your story. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to be fair. Okay, I think if it's a minute, it won't be fair for everyone to do it. So, yeah, my account is private. Well, Garau, there's nothing I can do. Your account has to be public, unfortunately. But again, there's other ways to enter this giveaway. We gave away some accounts before by picking a random number. So this one's different. Everyone, once you've tagged AquaTV Live and my personal page, let me know. Say done. Please repeat. Okay. I said simply go follow AquaTV Live. I've commented the usernames on the chat. Go up. Follow AquaTV Live on Instagram. Like the picture that AquaTV Live posted of me, the recent picture of me. Comment on that recent picture of me. And take a screenshot of this stream. Tag AquaTV Live, the Instagram page, and tag my personal one. Okay, simple. It's very simple. I'm gonna check now. Make sure you tag me on the story so I can see it. If I'm not tagged, I won't be able to see it. Make sure you tag my personal Instagram. I repeat, some of you only tagged the Instagram of the AquaTV Live. What you're going to do is take a screenshot of this stream on Instagram, post the story, and tag my personal Instagram, which is AlphaDini, and tag AquaTV Live. Gold is starting to drop. So I'll give you a few minutes, a few seconds, Shahina Khan and everyone else that couldn't understand how to enter. So again, make sure you follow AquaTV Live, like the recent picture of me on that page, tag a screenshot of this live. I'll post the usernames. There we go. I literally just posted the username of both AquaTV's and mine. Post it on your Instagram story and tag both. And I'm going to pick someone at random. Everyone done? Make sure you're following the Instagram of AquaTV Live, by the way. I'm checking. I'm double checking so I can be fair. If I found out you posted a story but you don't follow AquaTV Live, then that's not gonna be fair. Okay. And this is, and by the way, before I pick the winner, guys, this is a lot of pressure because a lot of you have entered this giveaway. And so please do not feel bad. I promise one day you might get the chance. Do not feel bad if you don't win the account. All right. Requests are pending even in public accounts. Anwar, I think you're just going to have to enter the next giveaway. And you know what? One thing I might do, I might pick two people. So one now on the stream, and on my next stream, I might pick another one that also into this giveaway right now, the Instagram one. So you might have a chance for two people to win. Okay. So the winner of the 10K Forex account Mr. Martin _ 07. Let me check if Mr. Martin commented, okay? Did Mr. Martin comment and follow the rules? If he did not, I will pick another winner. And sorry, Mr. Martin, I told you the rules are strict. If you posted a story and you didn't comment on the AquaTV Live Instagram page, I will not pick you. So, Mr. Martin, he did. He did. Did he follow AquaTV? Let's see. Did Mr. Martin follow AquaTV? Yes, he did. Congratulations, Mr. Martin _ 07. Comment below if say here. If you're here right now on the stream, congrats. And guys, don't feel disappointed. You know why? On my next stream, which is tomorrow, Asia session, I'm going to pick another person that entered this giveaway. And you know what? I'm going to give that person a 50K futures account. So anyone that entered this giveaway right now, 50K futures account as well. Okay? Make sure you tag us on the story. And tomorrow I'm picking a 50K futures account on everyone that entered. Okay, one winner. Mr. Martin, where are you? I'm waiting for you. Are you here? Say you're here. Okay, Mr. Martin, DM me right now. Oh, so Nayak, is that you? Are you Mr. Martin? All right. Congrats to Nayak, who's Mr. Martin on Instagram. Just writing down your name. Congrats on winning the 10K account, guys. I appreciate you all for entering. Don't feel like you entering and not winning is a opportunity lost because, like I said, I'm picking a 50K futures account winner on my next stream based on everyone that entered this giveaway. Okay, make sure you're still following because tomorrow I might pick a winner. So make sure you're still following and commenting on the Instagram post. With that being said, guys, this is the end of the stream. I appreciate everyone for joining. Gold is currently in that zone. We're still waiting for a break and close below. So tomorrow on Asia session, join me as I break down the gold charts. Yeah, I'm on the stream tomorrow. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Subscribe, set alerts, because some of you are going to be winning the 50K accounts. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Have a nice trading day. And yeah, to all the winners, make sure you open a Discord ticket telling the AquaFunded team that you joined this giveaway and you won, and show the proof. Okay. With that being said, guys, peace out. Have a nice trading day.